The nation is waiting to see what happens to the Affordable Care Act. Today, the Republican Party once again asked the U.S. Supreme Court to get rid of Obamacare in its entirety. Thanks for joining us. I'm Nicole Livas.
And I'm David Allen. Despite the challenge, an event in Newport News today encouraged people to enroll in the Affordable Care Act. Nico Clemens found out why health experts recommend you enroll now while you still can.
The fate of the Affordable Care Act hangs in the balance as the debate heats up in Washington. The Supreme Court heard oral arguments today in a case that will determine the future of Obamacare. The Trump administration and Republican attorneys want to get rid of Obamacare, which would threaten coverage for more than 20 million people. Today, President-elect Joe Biden defended the Affordable Care Act, saying, quote, "This effort to bypass the will of the American people, the verdict of the courts in the past, the judgments of Congress, in my view, is simply cruel and needlessly divisive."
Thank you. You're welcome.
Meanwhile, in Newport News, people had the opportunity to enroll in the health insurance marketplace and Medicaid.
And in the age of COVID, you have to get all your preventative care.
It was all thanks to the company Celebrate Healthcare.
So if you have any pre-existing conditions, if it's diagnosed early, it could be taken care of.
We're also in the middle of what health experts are calling a twindemic, an overlap of the flu season and a potential peak in COVID-19 cases.
They can't go to school or daycare without their immunizations and everything.
There was also an opportunity for people to get a flu shot. Staff Sergeant Kevin Blaine brought his daughters to First Baptist Church Morrison.
One more thing to cross off, get the flu out the way, because we know we're back in that season again and we're seeing a spike in numbers again, so I just want to make sure my daughters are protected.
Back in Washington, the court will rule on the Affordable Care Act issue next June, a decision that could result in millions of Americans losing their health insurance as the nation continues to grapple with the pandemic. In Newport News, Nico Clemens, 13 News Now.